Okay, this is 5.2, number 8. This is kind of like a mixture problem. It's an investment problem, so we're thinking about mixing different types of investments. So Maricopa's Success Scholarship Fund receives a gift of $140,000. I hope I got enough zeros correctly there. The money is invested in stocks, bonds, CDs. So I did S for stocks, B for bonds, C for CDs. CDs paid 2.75%, and bonds pay 5.4%, stocks pay 10.1%. And so you say, why don't we just do everything in stocks? Because that's on average the return. Sometimes you get a bad market like we have right now. Anyway, Maricopa's Success invest $15,000 more in bonds and CDs. I put that here. Okay. If the annual income from investments is $8,615, how much was invested in each account? So the first thing I would do is I have this 140,000 equals S plus B plus C, and then that's fine. I have B equals C plus 15,000. That's fine. And then I also have this 0.101 S plus 0.054 B plus 0.0275 C equals 8,615. And so I like to clear out the decimals. So I'm going to multiply everything by 1,000 there. And I know we're going to just get some big numbers, but that's going to give us 101S plus 54B plus, oh gosh, maybe I should have done 10,000. I just get so big. 1, 2, 3, 27.5 C equals 8,615,000. So it's really that 8,615,000. And it's not like that's a big deal because these numbers are going to work out anyway. One thing I do next is I would probably do the substitute the B into both of these two longer equations. So I get down to 2 equations, 2 unknowns. So I'd have that S plus C plus 15,000. So that's taking the place of, that was our B, plus C equals the 140,000. And that's, let me just simplify that, S plus 2C, I can subtract the 15,000 from both sides, equals, now I'm going to use a calculator just so I don't make a mistake, but what is that, like 125? Yep, 125,000. And then we have this 101S plus 54, and instead of B, I'm going to put C plus 15,000 plus 27.5 C equals 8,615,000. So 101S plus 54C plus, and then 54 times 15,000 is 810,000 plus 27.5 C equals 8,615,000. And let's simplify this a little bit. We'll subtract the 810,000 from both sides and combine those C's. So 101S plus 81.5 C equals 7,805,000. Okay, so we have 2 equations now. We have this and the S plus 2C equals 125,000. I'd get rid of the S's here because that C has that 81.5, has a decimal. So I'm going to multiply the second one by negative 101. And that's going to give me that I still have that 101S. I'm just rewriting that first line plus 81.5C equals 7,805,000. So just rewrote that first line. Then I have a negative 101S plus, and that's going to be 2 times the 101 is 202. So I just do minus 202C equals, and then I have negative 101 times 7,805,000. So negative 7, oh my gosh. Is that right? 7,883,05,000. No, it'd be nice if I multiplied by the right number. That was negative 101 times the 125,000. So that's negative 1,262,5,000. Okay, that's a little more manageable. So a lot of easy ways to make mistakes, and that was a dumb one I almost made. Okay, so we know that the S's are going to go away. I was going to change colors, but whatever. So those are going to go away. That's 0. And then it's 81.5 minus 202. So 81.5 minus the 202 is going to be negative 120.5C equals, and then we have the negative 12,625,000. We're going to add to that 7,805,000 and get negative 4,820,000. So that makes sense. Like just under 8 million minusing like 12.5 or so. Yeah, so it's 4.8. Now we can divide by negative 120.5. C is equal to what? I get 40,000. Hey, that's nice that it worked out like that. So we know that our B would be 40,000 plus 15,000. So that's what, 55,000? And then S plus the 55,000 plus the 40,000 is supposed to equal 140,000. So what is our S? I get 45,000 for the S. Okay, that looks good to me. Hope that helps.